Hi guys, we're here at the Tulsa Home and Garden Show on the fairgrounds, and I thought I'd take an opportunity to show you how the product works right quick on things like greasy kitchen cabinets. We have one here we're going to show you, and what we're using is the Finish Rejuvenator. And the first thing you always do is shake it up. You'll see the cleaners and oils mixed together. It's best applied with about 1/3 of a pad of the 4-0 steel wool, and that's your applicator. And the reason we use that is not to scrub, but what we found is if you put oil on a rag, that's where it's going to stay. So think of this as your paintbrush. If you're doing kitchen cabinets, you're going to leave them up, handles and hinges on, and start at the top and go to the bottom, painting that on wet and even. See how wet that is? You're not dusting, you are applying the oil to the finish so that the oil can penetrate. Then you're going to come back and start at the top with a good paper towel like Bounty or Viva and take off any excess. The oil penetrates into the finish to clear out scratches, white water rings, faded areas from the sun or heat or steam from the coffee pot. And then what you're wiping away with a good paper towel are the cleaners. And the cleaners in the product dissolve the grease and grime and wax and dirt and liquid gold and orange oil and all that. So buff until you have a clean paper towel and no fingerprints. And that's when you know the oil is in the finish. It's not laying there to evaporate or collect dust and fingerprints. The oil is in there. And the shine that you get as a result is going to last for years. If you had a high shine, it will be a high shine. If you had a satin, it's going to be a satin. You're not putting something on the finish to make it look shiny. You're bringing back what it had. One application lasts for years. No wax, no color, no silicones. Invented for antiques. Use it on any wood that has a finish that looks less than perfect. The Victorian House Finish Rejuvenator, made in Skytook, Oklahoma. We've been in business since 1981. Order today. Thank you.